Hey friends, welcome back to English Flow. I'm Tom. Today we talk about the question so many of you keep asking me. Tom, can I really learn English alone? Yes, you can. And today I will show you exactly how. Why studying alone actually works. Many people believe you need a classroom. You need a teacher. You need to move to another country. That's not true. That's a myth. And today we destroy that myth together. The big problem. Most learners feel alone. No teacher. No practice partner. No native speaker nearby. This feels like a wall, a big, heavy wall between you and fluency. But here's the truth. Millions of people learned English alone. At home. On the bus. In their kitchen. Alone, but never stuck. Why alone can be powerful. When you study alone, you control everything. You choose the time. You choose the speed. You choose the topic. No pressure. No judgment. Just you and English. Think about it. A classroom moves at one speed. Maybe too fast for you. Maybe too slow. Alone, you go at your speed. The real secret. The secret isn't a special app. It isn't a special book. The secret is consistency. Small steps every day. That's it. Imagine drops of water on a stone. One drop does nothing. But drop after drop, day after day, the stone changes shape. Your English is the same. Small steps, everyday big results. Removing fear. Maybe you think, I don't have time. That's okay. You don't need hours. 10 minutes is enough. 15 minutes is enough. Maybe you think, I make mistakes when I'm alone. No one corrects me. That's okay too. Mistakes are part of learning. Even alone, you can notice your own mistakes. You can fix them slowly. Maybe you think, I feel lonely learning alone. I understand. But you're not alone right now. You're here with me. Every episode, we learn together. A new belief. So let's change the belief. Not, I need a classroom. Instead, I can learn anywhere, anytime, with simple daily habits. Not, I need perfect conditions. Instead, I can use small moments, coffee time, walking time, before bed. This is the foundation. Everything in this series builds on this idea. What's coming? In this series I will show you 5 simple ways to study English alone. Listening, vocabulary, speaking, habits, and confidence. Each chapter gives you one tool, one method, simple, practical, easy to start today. You don't need money. You don't need a classroom. You just need your voice, your ears, and a little time every day. A small story. I remember a student. Her name was Lena. She lived in a small town far from any big city. No English school nearby. No teacher. She had only her phone and free YouTube videos. She listened every morning while making tea. She repeated every sentence. She wrote in a small notebook. 1 year later she spoke with real confidence. Alone, but never stuck. Her story can be your story too. Encouragement. Remember this. You don't need permission to start. You don't need the perfect moment. You just need to begin. Small steps every day. That's the secret. Transition. In the next chapter we talk about your ears. Listening. This is where real learning begins. Because before you speak, you must understand. So stay with me. Let's build this journey together, one small step at a time. See you in Chapter 2. Training your ears, listening and shadowing alone. Why your ears? Because listening comes first. Before speaking. Before writing. You must hear English before you can use it naturally. The common mistake. Many learners study grammar first. Rules first. Lists first. But their ears stay untrained. So later they understand books, but not real conversations. They read fine, but real speech feels too fast. Let's fix this today. What is shadowing? Have you heard of shadowing? It's simple. You listen to a sentence, then you repeat it immediately, like a shadow following a person. You don't translate. You don't think too much. You just copy the sound, the rhythm, the music of English. Why shadowing works? Your mouth learns the way your ears learn. When you shadow, your mouth practices real English rhythm, not slow, robotic English. Real, natural English. Imagine a child learning their first language. They don't study grammar books. They listen. They copy. They repeat. That's exactly how shadowing works for you. How to start shadowing alone. Choose something simple. A short video, a podcast, even this episode. Listen once. Just listen. Don't repeat yet. Listen again. Now repeat after every sentence. Pause if you need to. Try to copy the speed. Copy the emotion. Copy the music, not just the words. It's okay if it feels strange at first. Everyone feels strange in the beginning. That's normal. Daily practice idea. 10 minutes a day is enough. Choose one short video. Watch it. Shadow it. Do this every day for 1 week. You will notice a difference. Maybe while cooking. Maybe while walking. Maybe before sleeping. Small moments, big results. Listening without subtitles. Try listening without subtitles sometimes. It feels hard at first. That's okay. Your brain is training like a muscle. Slowly it gets stronger. Then watch again with subtitles. Notice what you missed. This builds real understanding, not just reading skills. Removing fear. Maybe you think, I don't understand fast speech. That's normal. Everyone starts here. Speed comes with practice, not overnight. Maybe you think, I sound funny when I repeat. That's okay too.